good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Sanjay Singh, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Physics, Chintamani College of Arts and Science, Gond Pipri. Today, we shall discuss about the syllabus of semester 5th Physics, Gondwana University, Gadchiroli. We have already provided the soft copy of syllabus on your WhatsApp number and your Google Classroom. Now we discuss about the syllabus. Your syllabus provided on the screen on your mobile. So this is the soft copy of syllabus on your screen. Sem 5th, Sem 6th. So now we discuss the Sem 5th. So Sem 5th have 4 theory paper and you have selected any 2 papers out of 4 paper. Paper first theory 50 marks, internal assessment 10 marks. Paper second theory 50 marks, internal assessment 10 marks. Practical section A and B 30 marks. Total 150 marks. Point 5. The marks on internal assessment of the student shall be compounded with the theory paper. The passing marks will be 40% marks. Point 6. A student will have to perform at least 5 experiments from each section per semester. At the time of practical examination, every student has to perform 2 experiments, one from each section, each of 3-hour duration. The distribution of marks for practical examination is as follow: record book 6 marks, Viva was 6 marks, experiment A plus B 18 marks, total 30 marks. Now we discuss point 8. Point 8, evaluation of students during the semester for internal assessment. For internal assessment, assignment 2 marks, class test 5 marks, active participation seminar / routine activity 10 marks. Now we discuss a new things in this syllabus. Point 13, instruction for skill enhancement course. Skill enhancement course. Instruction for skill enhancement course. There should be 2 skill enhancement course in each semester. The student should option any one out of 2 as per their choice in each semester. Total marks for skill enhancement course is 50. For SEC, 70% weightage is given to practical work and 30% weightage to the theory paper. Theory paper should be 15 marks of MCQ type. The distribution marks for SEC practical work will be as follow: project work 20 marks, project record 8 marks, Viva was 7 marks, total 35 marks. Now we discuss about the syllabus. This is a total paper number. Theory paper first, elements of modern physics. Paper second, solid state physics. Paper third, medical physics. Paper fourth, mathematical physics. In last year, mostly students selected first 2 papers. Paper first, elements physics, and paper second, solid state physics. Now we discuss about the syllabus of paper first and paper second. So this is a syllabus of paper first, elements of modern physics. This paper distributed in 4 unit. Unit first, quantum theory. Unit second, Schrodinger wave equation, application of Schrodinger equations. Unit third, nucleus and its stability, radioactivity. Fourth unit, beta and gamma ray emission, fission and fusion. Now we discuss about the paper second. Paper second is solid state physics. This paper have already distributed in 4 unit. Unit first, crystal structure. Unit second, magnetic properties of matter. Unit third, dielectric properties of materials. And unit fourth, elementary band theory, superconductivity. Now we discuss the syllabus of skill enhancement course. Skill enhancement course. So this is the syllabus of skill enhancement course on your screen. Paper first, physics workshop skill. This paper divided in 4 unit. Unit first, introduction of measurement. Unit second, electrical and electronic skill. Unit third, introduction to prime movers machine. Unit fourth, use of breadboard, designing of basic gates. And paper second, electrical circuit network skill. Unit first, basic electricity principle, understanding electrical circuit. Unit second, electrical drawing and symbols, generators and transformers. Unit third, electric motors, solid state devices. Unit fourth, electrical protections. So this type there are two skill enhancement paper. You have selected any one out of two. So this is the total syllabus according your need. So thank you and be bonds. You have read the syllabus properly and I will discuss a topic one by one according your demands.